Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel The Nail Artist. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to it. So in today's video I'm going to tell y'all how to make nail polish last longer, and it has a simple solution. Apply the transparent nail polish. Many times due to some nail polish we have stains on our nails. So before applying any kind of nail polish, make sure you apply the transparent nail polish. It also prevents your nails from chipping. As you can see, this is my nail art from the previous video, the Harry Potter nail art, and you can see it's conditioned now. So you must apply the transparent nail polish. So for applying the transparent nail polish, I'll be taking a high amount of it. I'll be using a nail polish from Nail Trends and applying it on my nail art. Make sure your nail art is dry or it will get destroyed because of the transparent nail polish. And you're done. Simple way for long lasting nail art.